everyone, Heather here. I wanted to hop on today and give you a tutorial of something that is going to save a lot of photographers who use digital backdrops. And what this new filter is going to do for us is just really help us blend our subject into the digital backdrop here. As you can see, I brought my subject in and I have her on a new layer. I've turned her into Smart Object, so I just right clicked on the layer and then I went to Convert Smart Object. When she is a Smart Object, it's gonna have this little picture here in the corner, right in there. What you wanna do now is you wanna go up to Filter and Neural Filters. It's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. Now, if your screen does not look like this, it means you do not have the updated version of Photoshop. So if you want to get this filter, you need to go and update your Photoshop to the newest version. All right, so now once you have this up here, you want to go into Harmonize and turn that on. Once it's turned on here, you just want to select here, select a layer and select the backdrop. And it's just going to think here. And as you can see, it changed her a little bit darker to match up to the background. Now, if you find that this is too strong or not quite right in the colors, you can adjust it all just below. I might bring it down just a touch. And we will hit OK on that one. And now you can see that it's brought a brand new layer here, and when I flick that off, it has her unedited, and there she is with the adjustments. Now again, if this is not quite looking right and looking a little too strong, you can just bring the opacity of the layer down slightly. I think I'll bring it down a little bit right here. Alright, so if you struggle with your color corrections with your digital backdrops and making them look the same, this is just a really good filter that will get you to that starting point, and you can make your other adjustments that you need to on top to blend your subject into the background. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you do not want to miss any more tutorials like this one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!